Hello everybody, back here again with the Jurassic Park videos. Making another video. Today I'm just gonna, this episode I actually have audio for it. Yeah, there it is. I have audio for this video. I'm just gonna be playing around, getting some new stuff. Okay, let's see. No, not first try. Not again. Not again. Not again. There it is. Okay, so, later. I have here, let's collect you. I'm probably not gonna get any more back. Oh, there we go. Surprise, surprise. Today I'm just gonna go over some of my guys. I think I did, no, last episode I didn't have audio, but, I should do that, I don't care. I'm going to here. So, oh, yeah, I gotta decode him first. Oh, that's actually easy. I took that back. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna deal with that right now. What are some of my missions? Have one family lodging, safari, accomplish something, expand the park. I thought I already did that, but okay. Buy one small pond. Oh my god, there we go. Have one family, okay, now. So, today I'm just gonna be doing some, yeah, let me go into tournament. I haven't done these in forever. Yeah, let's see how I can do. Sadly, I'm the only person without a photo. I haven't logged in. We'll use you. I'm probably gonna lose. Anyway, let's stick you in there for safety, and put you down there. Okay, fine. Oh crap. Yeah, see, this is what I was worried about. I'm a little better than him by just a little bit to my total rating. But I think his dinosaurs are, his are a lot stronger. I'm gonna block. Can't take any chances. Hope you brought your A game. Yeah, right from. The funny thing is, they're all computers. Okay, let's, I believe he's tail whip as well. I can't tell because this dinosaur's just weak. Yes, he did. Okay. So now this guy's gotta, last me for, like, everybody. Okay, tell me you didn't block. Okay, good, it didn't. This one I have to block. And, because mine's charged. I believe he's tail whip because he's, like, one of the raptors. Okay, and final block. Yeah, see, he's probably gonna block on this one. Oh no, never mind. Okay, so I won the first match. That's actually a lot easier than I hoped, than I thought. Okay, semifinals. Let's see what I got. There. I think that team's okay. Oh, whoa. Her berry on it. Oh, crap. She's got some good guys. Well, that's what she's gonna go with. Her. I can't actually tell if it's a he or her. They probably just took a profile photo or something. There's one time, I think, I was watching another YouTuber, and I think what happened was that the game actually used his photo, and he was fighting against himself. It was really funny. I was laughing while I was watching it. Oh, there we go. Good thing I blocked right there. That's my weakness. Boom, correct. Just one final block. And it was, yeah, perfect. Just gonna block right there. I know for the rest of the time he's just gonna keep using the block. Then there's you. Boom. 421. He's done. Done. Oh well. I like the final coloring of the Ankylosaurus with the blue and everything. Looks a lot better. Okay, grand prize finals. The grand prize is only 12. Boom, let's go on top of this. Sorry. That's, oh, don't tell me he disqualified. But if he did, does that mean I win instantly? Oh no, he didn't. He just started. Imagine my guy dies and I have to use my Triceratops mostly. Okay, he's bite. One shot. I'm gonna block for funsies. Your charge. This is a piece of cake. This is what you call a sweeper. And another block. Oh, good thing I blocked. And you're special. Ooh. Boom. That's kind of cool. Boom. Get wrecked. That was a pretty easy. That was a wicked easy match. It was easy at the end because I scooped everything with my first try. Boom. I was in the gold league. What do you get for gold league at the end? 10. Okay. 15. 20. Oh, that's actually kind of nice. But once I'm almost in the gold league. Yeah, I'm close. I need 20 more trophies. What about bronze? Yep. I already have that. I'm gonna get that right now. So we got here. 20 trophies for the next round. And it starts in 3 hours. Wait, is that 3 hours? 4 hours. I'm gonna estimate it. I'm gonna pump it up. Pump it up. It's actually, I'm gonna bring it up to 4 hours because of the 53 minutes. But that's 4 hours, and yeah, that was just a quick tournament. 14. Okay. So yeah, I actually like knows that once I do this, do the match, and I win, I'm gonna instantly go into the gold league. Aquatic. What do you get for aquatic? Same thing. $1, 10 to 4 bucks. Essentially, I'm kidding. Whoa. I mean, I'm kind of annoyed about this. I had this game on my old tablet, and I had the glacier. I was like level 50 or something. No, I'm kidding. I wasn't that high level, but I was a pretty high level. I was in the 40s. I was a little under leveled. And I was in glacier. And when I first got into glacier, I got wicked lucky. So sometimes how sometimes they do this special thing. Sounds kind of weird, where there's like you have to get lucky and you can find a certain species, like in the helicopter, that gives you the free stuff. And I got lucky and I got that, and it gave me like, what was it? What was it gave me? Oh yeah, it gave me the giant snake one. Can't see them here, but see what I can do. I'm actually gonna save up to get the Brontosaurus, because I think he's a gold tier. Oh well, then the gold tier hunting would be over. No, okay. I just have to keep going and get more and more gold. think next episode, what I'll be playing is Marvel Contest of Champions to show you guys. I was gonna do a video, but then it got all messed up. It was corrupt or something. I can't believe it actually happened so early for me. But here, let's see what I don't think I'll be able to buy it right now once I'm done decoding, because it's probably gonna be wicked expensive. And plus, I don't have a lot of money after this. There we go. We're almost there. 4 more to go. Come on. Ding, ding, boom. Bing, bing, nope. Bing, bing, nope. Oh, well. Okay, let's see. Bing, bing, nope. What? How did that happen? Wow. It's not even like it's a good dinosaur. It's a bronze. Bing, bing, nope. Oh, there we go. It works when I do it that way. Bing, bing, nope. Okay, good. See, that's what I'm gonna do every time now. Oh wow, I actually can buy it. As I said, it's a pretty crappy dinosaur. It's only a bronze. No, I'm kidding. I need all the help I can get. Oh, are you kidding me? I don't care though. $1. Yes, I'm up by $1. Did I just hear a cat? I swore I heard a cat in the same night. I have a cat, but he's not in my room or anything. I think he's like on the other side of the house. Wait. That was weird. Could have sworn I heard a cat, but yeah, I just wanted to do a quick tournament match. Show you guys. Let's do this really quick. Boom. Do this real quick. There we go. Oh, really? Oh, 21. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick match, show you what I got going on. Ankylosaurus, last episode I evolved him, got him to a good level. My pteranodons are just beasts, and they only have 1 star, but they're pretty good. I got the, oh my god, I'm not even gonna talk about that. My Dilophosaurus, which I don't know why it's so high leveled. But that's it for this episode. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, whatever. But that is it, and good